Okay, but let me show you what I've got up my sleeve today. So this is a fun drill sheet I thought we could do together. So if you want to grab a pen real quick, this is perfect timing for you. And then I'm going to show you some of the supplies that I like to use. My very, very favorite brush pens are these right here, which are called Pentel Touch. All right, Pentel Touch, and they come in several colors. And then another set of pens that's really popular right now that especially my TikToker friends are loving are these Sparkle Pop pens. I mean, y'all, sparkle. I'm going to show you some samples with these in just a second. Oh, these are beautiful. In fact, I have a Valentine class coming up next week. I hope you can come. It's only $10. And look, this is one of the cards we're going to do, but look at that shine. Do y'all see that? Oh, look at that. That's the Sparkle Pop pens. And then this is some little glitter. I'll show you that too. But man, they're so cool. This is the orange. So you can see how it kind of is a golden yellow orange.